Now, it's very unlikely that Google would ever lose your data in your account. However, it is likely that one of your team accidentally deletes something. It is likely that maybe you accidentally forget to pay your credit card and your account gets shut down. From time to time, data loss does happen. My account was disabled, so I paid and got back. However, I lost all my saved emails. How do I recover it? I'm not able to see emails in my inbox, only in my all mailbox, but I'm still not getting emails. That's very interesting. If you have a Google account and it's been suspended, or for whatever reason it was switched off for a period of time, and you were not receiving emails because the account was disabled, it's very likely that anyone who tried to send you an email during that time would have received a bounce back. If an account is switched off or suspended, a bounce back will typically be sent. And what that means is when you switch the account back on, unfortunately, it's unlikely that you'll receive any of those emails that were sent to you during that time. However, you can have some solace in the fact that people would have received a bounce back. Then what? Well, it's their responsibility to actually send the email to you again. Now, if you have broken something in your DNS settings and there is a chance that your emails were down for a period of time, but your account was still active, most people who send an email will have an automatic server that attempts to redeliver that email 24 or 48 hours, or sometimes even longer. And if that happens to you, your emails were down for a period of time because of DNS, well, sometimes those emails will be redelivered. So if your account was offline, it's really not too much of a concern if your account was still active, because even if you broke your DNS, it can still redeliver those emails. However, if your account was suspended, it's most likely someone's going to receive a bounce back and they're not going to get the emails again. So if your account was disabled by Google for some reason, then yeah, you're pretty much stuck. If it was disabled by Google and then recovered and your emails aren't sitting in your inbox and your history isn't sitting in your inbox, I would question how long it was disabled for. It's possible that they just aren't going to come back. But that's an important reason that you may consider a backup for your Google account. We have a third-party backup tool that we sell to small businesses. You get a couple of free licenses as a part of Concierge. And once you sign up to Concierge, our team will automatically set up a backup for your Google account. Now, it's very unlikely that Google would ever lose your data in your account. However, it is likely that one of your team accidentally deletes something. It is likely that maybe you accidentally forget to pay your credit card and your account gets shut down. From time to time, data loss does happen. Sometimes there's even malicious damage from an employee. When that does happen, well, you can run into issues. And so my recommendation would be is to have a third-party backup for your account. What that will do is keep it safe and protected. If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.